Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in today's video, we are going to see about our review and preview of the market. So now the weekdays markets has been closed and we are expecting what is going to happen in the next week. So let us get into our review and preview. So all right guys, so as we can see from Nifty, the Nifty has already now been, the channel has been broken again. And as I've already told, the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement holded a long way and it pushed the market. And still, for me to go for a buy in a long term, I need a close above 15,000. So that is my level of going for a long term buy. So the channel is broken. We know that this channel has to break on the upper side and it has to go for a long market. But still, 15,000 is a strong level of resistance. So my suggestion is, once the market breaks and closes above 15,000, we can go for a long-term buy in all these scripts. In Nifty 50, we can choose blue chip companies, or you can go for index funds. So that will be a good way of investing once the market closes above 15,000. So that is my suggestion. And even now, I'm still in a buy trend for Nifty. So still the market is in buy. We may expect a little bit of correction because it has formed a little bit of double top in the our time frame. We may have a little bit of retracement because of the gap up. We can expect 14,730, but still the market is in bullish mode. All right, so Nifty 50 bullish, so go for a long term buy after they close above 15,000. And coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is in the same area. It's not able to push the market in a long way. So my one more thing I want to tell you all is, whenever Bank Nifty starts to consolidate and it's not able to give you a big push, wait for it. You are going to have a huge momentum in the market. So since this is in the buy trend, and last time we saw that this was the resistance, and even it tried to break the resistance with a breakout, but still it came back inside the resistance level. And so my suggestion is, let it break a solid candle in Bank Nifty like 33,300. Close near that will give an opportunity for a long-term buy. And already we have had a detailed report about the Bank Nifty analysis and the banking scripts, so you can watch those videos as well. Still, Bank Nifty is in buy. All right, and the next thing is gold. So as you can see, so I suggested about gold. So go for a buy above 1800. So once market closes above 1800, we are going to see a huge momentum in gold. And so as suggested, the market broke 1800. It went all the way up to 1843 because there was a, I think it was a non-farm payroll or the unemployment claims in the US market. There was a huge news on Friday, and the market started to break out, and it went up to 1843, and it broke around 400 pips in gold market. So next thing is, we can expect a little bit further movement in gold up to the see, this is a weekly resistance and a trend line form. So we can expect up to 1856, around 1850 to 1856. So that is my level of seeing gold. So that will be the major level of resistance, and when the market hits there, we can see a downward movement in gold. But we have to wait for it. Sometimes it can break and go above the trend line. It can go for a long-term buy trend as well. So we have to wait and watch the market until it reaches the trend line resistance. So we'll just wait for it. And for crude oil, as I said, crude oil is trading at a weekly resistance level. And I said about a 1 hour chart, and we look for a trend. And this was the first target, and this is my second target, as I said in the last week. And the market came and hit our first targets. Now, still the market is not turned into a buy trend. See, even in this trend line, the market still is respecting the trend line. If the Nifty crude oil starts to fall down, we can expect a target of $63. Or else, if the market is able to break and close above the previous line of resistance, which is here around 65.20, if it is able to close above that, then we can expect upward movement. And still, for a long-term buy, we need to close above the weekly resistance. So that is for crude oil. If it doesn't break, we are going to reach $63. If at all it breaks above $65.20, we may expect another upward movement up to $66. So that is for crude oil. All right, guys. So these are the 4 scripts for the review.
So all right, guys. So these are the scripts we have seen from our review and preview. So let us hope for the best in our next week's trading. So I hope this video was useful, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.